In this video, I'd like to comment a bit on evolutionary perspectives on perception. According to evolutionary psychologist Robert Wright, quote, "This is a reminder that natural selection didn't design your mind to see the world clearly. It designed your mind to have perceptions and beliefs that would help take care of your genes." In other words, what we see may be less about what's accurate and much more about what gives us a survival advantage. Over the past decade, evolutionary psychology has increasingly informed each subdivision of psychology. In perception and sensation, it has led to the discovery of phenomena such as the auditory looming bias and the visual descent illusion. A looming sound refers to sound coming toward us. The auditory looming bias demonstrates that moving sounds are misperceived as traveling fastest when they're coming our way, thus posing the greatest threat. The visual descent illusion also has a threat and survival orientation. It states that natural selection has differentiated perception of height in response to the threat of falling. For example, we perceive height as greater when looking down from a hilltop and lesser when looking up from the bottom of the hill. The survival advantage is simple. Descent results in falls more often than does ascent. According to Wright, quote, "If you ask the question, what kinds of perceptions and thoughts and feelings guide us through life each day, the answer at the most basic level isn't the kinds of thoughts and feelings and perceptions that give us an accurate picture of reality. No, at the most basic level, the answer is the kinds of thoughts and feelings and perceptions that helped our ancestors get genes into the next generation. Whether those thoughts and feelings and perceptions give us a true view of reality is, strictly speaking, beside the point. As a result, they sometimes don't. Our brains are designed to, among other things, delude us." End quote. I recommend the works of Robert Wright, including this one, "Why Buddhism is True."